Hello everybody. It's now August 13th, 2000. I put my hand away. Sorry. August 13th, 2020. Our skies today here. Just want to come on and give an update about my drone. I'm going to put a little clip my last time looking for it, but I put my boots on. It was a trip. I got it back, so that's good news. The best news is I got a few subscribers that helped me out, and I really love it and I appreciate it. Lynn, Darlene, and two other guys. So I thank yous. I've asked half of yous, let me pay it back. Sorry about that. You said no, keep it, put it in the channel. That's exactly what I'm going to do. But I don't usually get on here and do what I'm doing right now. But I just want to be truthful. I'm not out on my channel with a PayPal, pay me to just make money. I'm here to show the truth, what God shows me. You guys got to follow Bob from Pies and Cakes channel. Roger Paul and Our Skies Today. That's a backup, not a backup channel. It's another channel I got just for the community. But I just want to thank everybody that helped me out, your comments. You know, I mean, my soul's been touched. It's because of you guys. So I want to keep filming. I've been drying the drone out, put it in the air, got the air compressor running, blew the sand out, still blowing it out. Been blowing it out. Started last night, probably did an hour tonight. Still got sand coming out. So hopefully it works. And just keep watching. Check out, like I said, Bob Pies and Cakes, Roger Paul Our Skies Today. Check out Hush Puppy. I mean, we all got our own views, everybody. That's the trick, to put the pieces together. You sit and bicker, fight, you're never going to do it. You got to unite. So much love, everybody, from the bottom of my heart. And you guys that helped me, thank you so much. God bless you. And I might go film it. So till later, we'll catch this. God bless you all. Stop.